You been covered with the subscriber trunks dialing STD? Yes, we are. Telephone facilities in our order to strengthen the flow of the information. It's a grassroots to the higher level. The government has made special provisions to extend 24-hour steady facility to every village in the country. There is a uniform rate of STD facility all over the India. It has been made possible by integrating the development in space technology with the communication technology. Now, this has been changed and this place is taken by your Geo, that is the company from Reliance side, and now every village has a mobile, being a small one or a big one. In terms of price, everybody is now having a mobile facility. Okay, now coming to the next topic of the same, mass communication. Now people have this aim to pursue a mass communication. आप लोग कहते हैं कि मैं बड़े होकर के mass communication karunga. So what is it? So it provide entertainment and a creative awareness among the people in a various national programs, policies that include in radio, television, newspaper, magazine, books and films. India's radio, that is Akashwani, broadcasts a variety of programs in national, regional and local language. It provides every category of a people's entertainment. Doordarshan, the national television channels of India, is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. We have seen, and when we were a kid, anybody asked me, uh, which is your favorite channel in TV? I said Doordarshan. So now Doordarshan is very popular. It broadcasts all types of program, entertainment, education, sports, news, etc. India publishes large number of newspaper and periodicals annuals. Near about 100 languages and dialects newspaper are published in India. It is carried by Hindi, English and Urdu. Most of the films are pub- are shown in India, okay, including your films in the world, short films, video short films, and it is certified by the Central Board of Film Certification in Authority to certify both India's film and foreign film. Now we will look at to the international trade. International trade, the exchange of goods among the people and state country is referred to as trade. Market is the place where such exchanges take place. The trade between the two countries is known as international trade. It can be through sea, air or land route. Local trade is carried to city area, town or villages. Between this trade between the two states is known as state trade. Advancement of the international trade of the country is indexed to economic prosperity. It is therefore considered the economic barometer for a country. So as the number of trade with the international trade increases, it resulted to the index of the country's economy. So as the resources are space bound, no country can survive without international trade. सो सभी कंट्रीज़ में सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल नहीं हैं, इसलिए इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. एक्सपोर्ट और इम्पोर्ट आर द कंपोनेंट ऑफ द ट्रेड. सो व्हाट इज़ एक्सपोर्ट? जब सामान आपकी कंट्री से बाहर के देश में जाता है तो उसको एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, एग्जिट कर रहा है. इम्पोर्ट क्या है? वो कंट्री जो ये सामान मंगवाती है, इम्पोर्ट करते हैं. जब चीज़ें हम बाहर से अपने देश में मंगवा रहे हैं, दैट इज नोन एज इम्पोर्ट. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्रेड. There is one formula, you can say it a formula only. Balanced trade आप कब कहेंगे किसी भी कंट्री में? जब द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इट्स एक्सपोर्ट एंड इम्पोर्ट, जो डिफरेंस आएगा, अगर ज़्यादा आ रहा है तो बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड अच्छा नहीं होगा. अगर बैलेंस है यानी कि दोनों बराबर है तो उसे बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड कहेंगे किसी भी कंट्री का। फेवरेबल बैलेंस किसको कहेंगे आप? ठीक है, कैसे समझ में आएगा कि कौन सा चीज़ बैलेंस में कहें और कौन सा इम्बैलेंस में कहेंगे। सो व्हेन द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट एक्सीड्स द वैल्यू ऑफ इम्पोर्ट इज़ अ फेवरेबल, यानी कि आप सामान ज़्यादा भेज रहे हो और बाहर से कम मंगवा रहे हैं, तब आप इसको कहेंगे फेवरेबल बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड, यानी कि हमारा जो पैसा है वो बाहर के देश में कम जा रहा है, ठीक है, और बाहर का पैसा हमारे देश में ज़्यादा आ रहा है। हम भेज रहे हैं, अपने यहाँ से सामान भेज रहे हैं जो कि लोग खरीदेंगे, जब खरीदेंगे तो हमारे यहाँ पैसे आएंगे। On and contrary, the value of import exceed the value of export, then it's known as unfavorable balance of trade. What is it? अगर आप ज़्यादा मंगवा रहे हैं इन कंपैरिजन टू आप अपने सामान को कम बेच रहे हैं या कम बाहर देशों में भेज रहे हैं और उसका डिफरेंस अगर ज़्यादा आ रहा है, तब आप उसको अनफेवरेबल कहेंगे, ठीक है। India's has trade relation with all the major trading blocks of a geographical region of the world. Among the commodities it exports, share of agriculture, allied product 8.64%, metal यानी कि एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड इतना परसेंटेज हम एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, मेटल से रिलेटेड दिस परसेंटेज, ज्वेलरी एंड जोम्स यानी प्रीसियस स्टोन्स बहुत ज़्यादा जो कि कर्नाटका केरला से जाते हैं, chemicals products near about 12.6%. This is the data from 16 to 17 2000. The commodities imported, हम मंगवाते कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं अपने इंडिया में? क्रूड ऑयल एंड पेट्रोलियम दैट इज़ 22.4, gems and gems and jewelry 12.8, and chemical related product 9.76. You can ask me, ma'am, why when we have lot of export going on, why we are bringing the same thing again? Some of the qualities are not available, and it's important not to extract all the things from India only. We have our money, we can buy it. All right. Based metals 5.97, sorry 95%, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स वी इम्पोर्ट मंगवाते हैं, मशीनरी, एग्रीकल्चर, अलाइड मतलब साथ में उनके साथ के जो भी प्रोडक्ट होते हैं। इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड हैज़ अंडरगोन अ सी चेंज इन द लास्ट डिकेड्स, एक्सचेंज ऑफ कमोडिटी गुड्स हैव बीन superseded by the exchange of information and technology. India has emerged as a software giant at the international level. It is earning large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. Now the things has changed. Technology, now we people exchange or export import our technology information. Okay, why Russia and France are in this category. Okay, now last topic is tourism as a trade. Okay, just once more reading it. Tourism as a trade. Yes, of course. India is now appearing as a trade business in tourism because India has a every geographical possibility criteria, all the relief feature we have. So now we should try and more focused on the tourism trade. So tourism in India has grown subsequently over a last 3 decades. When I say decade, that means 10 year. ओके, यानी 30 ईयर में बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज हुआ है. फॉरेन टूरिस्ट अराइव्स इन ए कंट्री विटनेस एज एन इंक्रीजिंग 4.5% in 2005 and near about this figure of crores foreign exchange is done till 2015 and it is increased. Near about 8 million travel to India directly engaged in the tourism industry. Tourism also promote national integration, provide support to a local handicrafts culture, and persuade the development, international understanding, culture and heritage. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage and tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, cultural tourism, medical tourism, business tourism. There is a vast potential for a development of a tourism in all part of the country. Efforts are made to promote different types of tourism for upcoming industry. So now we if I say that tourism is now the other trade business in our world. Now tourism is pursue as the education. Okay, student learn, student pursue or have a professional degree in these fields, and it's a fast growing. If you go to the South India, you will find a big major business in tourism. Okay, so this is the end of this chapter. I hope that you enjoy this chapter, you understood the chapter, and you know about all the lifelines of the Indian economy. यानी कि हम चीज़ों को बना रहे हैं, लेकिन वो अगर सही जगह या सही उसके लिए आपको मनी नहीं मिल रहा है, तब तक आप उस चीज़ को डेवलपमेंट के रेस में नहीं लगा रहे हैं। तो उस सब चीज़ों के लिए ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ द बिगेस्ट हेल्प person that connects to the person who is exporting and the person who really want that product. Okay, so there are some questions. I hope that you will do this easily once you just finish off this explanation video, and do try this question, it's very important. Thank you so much, class.